We got more snacks to test.
I'm excited.
You done.
Okay, this is a weird one. I have never seen these before, and we may never see them again. They're from Korea, and they're called turtle chips. I don't think they're made of turtles. They're a corn snack.
Yeah.
And it says, wow,
They're definitely
4 layers.
they're definitely not made from the real
No,
turtles.
they're made from corn. What else have we got?
Oh yeah. These big boys.
This is from Costco. Corn chips. So 2 corn snacks today.
Yeah.
Corn chips first.
Oh, okay.
Get your hand in here. See what you can get.
It's like a bowl.
Mm-hmm. Ready, go.
They does not taste like corn.
I love corn chips. These are my favorite.
These really are good.
These are the best corn chips.
Oh, that's the best.
They'd be good for dipping because they wouldn't break. Okay. I can't wait to taste this. Do it. Turtle chips. Oh.
This bag's hard to open.
Be right back.
No, wait. I have another way.
Oh,
I opened it the bad way.
are there
Ooh.
are there 4 layers of flavor?
It smells fruity.
Mmm.
That's
They
good.
taste like corn. They really do taste like corn.
Good.
Yes, they taste like corn. Okay. This is what it looks like. Yours looks better than mine, right? This is what they look like in the picture.
Wait, I'm gonna test this one again. Because I
And
forget
this-
what it tastes like.
This is what this one looks like. These are so good, these turtle chips. But I have a feeling I'll never be able to find them again. 4 layers of flavor.
I'm gonna decide my winner and then you can. So, these are pretty good, but they seem a little too sweet for me. So, I'm gonna choose these ones.
They're both delicious. I would eat either one. Do I have to pick one?
Yeah, you have.
I'm gonna pick these because they're more practical, right? You could eat these anytime.
Yeah, these are good, but they're a little sweet.
You're a smart cookie because see what it says here? Sweetened with sucralose, fructose, and sugar. I don't think there's any sugars left. That's why they're so sweet.
I need another one. These things are so good. You can't see us.
Yum. Corn snacks rock. Are we done?
Yeah, bye.
Bye.
They're really good.